Good evening, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I got this crazy hairdo going on. I know we always talk about my hair, but yeah. So tonight's video, I'm sorry I look a little rough. It's been a long day. Hey Dylan. Dylan's here. Dylan's gonna help. Come here, Dylan. Dylan's got a role in this video.
Hello, peoples.
So
Sound a little sick, but you know,
yeah,
weather changing shit.
we're both getting over this cold flu bug type of thing. We're both pretty much dead for what, the last week and a half.
Yeah.
So today is another unboxing of, this is my favorite tuner crate, guys. I've been getting them for a couple years now, and every year I look forward to the Halloween one, the October one, because for one, the box is cool looking, as you can see, and two, it's got a bunch of Halloween themed stuff in it. Halloween is my favorite holiday of all time because candy, scary stuff, horror movies on TV.
Yeah.
It's awesome. It's a lot better than that Christmas crap where it's Kris Kringle and Merry, Joy, Happy,
Boring
Peace on
shit.
Earth.
Boring shit.
It's boring and it's too commercialized and I hate it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna open this, and then Dylan has something that he wants to open up and show you, and it's for his car.
Oh man.
I'm stoked.
I'm excited to be honest.
I'm excited too. See how much stuff you can steal out of my tuner crate.
Oh boy.
Bum.
Oh wow.
Dang.
That's a nice color.
All right, so first thing we're gonna look at is one.
Oh,
Ooh,
I like that.
That's cool. So check this shirt out, guys.
That's a clean shirt right there.
That's nice.
That's a clean shirt.
Yeah.
man.
Driven.
Yep.
That's a cool shirt. I like
That's
that.
a clean
That's
shirt
nice.
right there.
And like I say before, guys, these are super soft. Feel
Yeah,
that.
man.
Feel nice and soft.
Oh geez. You know what?
You love
That's
it,
a
right?
Clean shirt right there.
Oh.
They're soft too. I like how soft they are. Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
That's a cool book.
And it came with issue of Super Street magazine,
Yeah.
which I'm not really quite sure why, because this is a tuner car magazine,
Yep.
and this is a muscle box. But that's besides the point. We're gonna keep
Hey,
going.
maybe they're doing a duet because it's that time of the month. I don't
Maybe.
know.
And we got a bunch of stickers. We got this really cool Godzilla GTR sticker.
That's cool.
Got the Hustle sticker.
That's
That's
really
going
cool.
on the Camaro.
Yeah, man.
Grand Hustle. Another Driven sticker. I got so many stickers.
Yeah,
But,
we got a lot of
check
stickers.
that out. I'm showing it to you first. That's cool.
That's really cool.
That is cool. We got this tuner crate sticker, but in the font is a GTR and a Halloween scene. But like so far, there's a whole lot of GTR stuff in here, not a whole lot of muscle stuff. But you know, whatever. You got
man.
this. That's a cool sticker.
That's a cool sticker, man.
Oh! We got another one of these
Oh,
things.
we got another one, dude. You got a black
We have a black. We have a black one from last month over there. Dylan's going to get
You got a black one.
it. See?
A black one, too.
Make them make out. Turn it around. Wow.
You can't maybe on the opposite side. Be like, oh, it's on your face.
No, we
That
got
one's
the-
cool.
That's cool as hell.
It's got the face in it, too. You can see a face in it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
man.
gangster. I like that. It's a
I like
zombie
that
face
cool
with a
sticker.
bolt hole in this thing.
Yeah, man.
And we got I see
That's
a pin.
effect.
Whoa! It's a pin.
Oh,
Check that pin out.
yeah.
It's a
pin
rim.
/ hubcap.
It's nice. I love it. And whoever doesn't can go to hell. No, I'm just kidding. Another shirt. A black one. You know black's my color,
Yeah,
boy.
black's the one. Oh, I like that. It's like a baseball shirt.
That's nice.
Like a Maryland baseball shirt. That's what it
Just a
looks
black
like.
one. Got the M on it. I'm
Yeah.
not quite sure what
That's
that
cool, man. Why does that have an M, dude? What's the M mean? Miles? I don't know. What's M?
Oh.
Yeah, cool. Oh, that really tops
I didn't
it
see
off.
that. Got the baseball logo,
Yeah.
baseball tag on
I
it.
like that.
That is
That adds
cool.
effect, dude. That makes it look better.
That makes it look gangster. Oh, this is gonna be Dylan's favorite shirt right here.
Oh my god, what is on it?
You're probably gonna steal it from me, the fucker,
Probably.
because it's my favorite too.
Oh my god, I love that.
Look at this.
Oh, look, it's got the Subi on it.
Yeah, it's got the STI and the GTR, the
Oh,
Japanese Rising
I'm
Sun
taking
line.
that. That's mine.
Dude, there is nothing about this tuner crate that's muscle car.
That's mine, dude. I love this shirt, dude. That's enough.
Whoa, this is
Oh,
a bonus.
dude.
They gave us a whole bag of assorted air fresheners.
Yeah, we got one like that though.
The
that
Halloween
first
one is the same, yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't used it yet because it was so cool looking.
But you got another one, so you can use it.
No, I'm never using it. So we
all
it
the
came
same
with the
ones.
Tuner crate, the Halloween one with the Godzilla GTR on it, which is cool. We got the race helmet.
Yep, yep.
And the Subi Gang, you can have that.
Subi Gang.
Subi Gang air freshener. Dylan's getting that
Hey.
for obvious reasons. And it looks like we
Yeah,
have
cards, trading cards.
we got trading cards with
Hey, those are cool. I'm actually
that
glad
thing.
they do
I don't
that.
know what that is.
That looks like
But this is the most important one. Yes.
It's like a super
Yes.
Leggera. Oh, that's like a super Leggera.
And the GTR, of
Like
course.
that's what it's called, a super Leggera.
Yeah, what's cool looking.
Yeah, those are pretty quick cars.
Oh, and look at.
Oh, yeah.
One of my pictures.
Dude, I thought they would have another one, but that's cool. I like that.
It's got the whole crew on there. Got the fucking 68 Camaro.
Yeah, Tesla.
The 2017 Tesla S, 2011 WRX. That's Fuzzy Nuts is who built this tuner crate thing, and that's his car before the wrap. That's the same car, and I think both of these. I think this is the same GTR. I think it's his. I think
Oh,
this
they
is
got
with
the
the
wheel,
wrap.
dude.
Yeah.
See the wheel?
Yeah. So yeah, but there's like I said, that's everything in this box, and it is an awesome
man,
box.
That's
Like
a cool box, dude.
this is. They advertised that there's gonna be over $100 worth of stuff in this box for
Dude, it's probably like
Halloween, and there definitely is. Like, it's pretty cool. A lot of it's a little knick-knacky stuff, but you know, like the stickers and the air fresheners.
Hey,
I buy it for basically the shirts.
Yeah.
Clearly I only
you
have
can't
two
beat their shirts, man. They always got some cool shirts.
Yeah, and they always fit really well. So.
And they're
But they do
soft.
shrink. So like I said, if you normally wear a medium, order it in a large,
large.
because it's gonna shrink like crazy.
Unless
Yep.
you don't dry it. Don't dry it and you're good.
Yeah, but we dry it.
But we dry it.
We don't separate our laundry. The only separation we do when we do laundry is work clothes and good clothes. There's
Yeah.
no colors or whatever.
Well, he does, and then he fucks up his dryer or something.
No, it was a shirt I ruined.
Yeah.
I had a white shirt turn pink. It's actually one of my tuner crate shirts.
Yeah, that was ruined.
I was pretty
It was
pissed.
a nice one too.
I can't believe you're stealing that shirt. It's my
Dude,
favorite. Whatever, you
this is my
deserve it.
favorite one.
Whatever, Dylan deserves it. That's Dylan's shirt, and I'm giving him. I'm passing
Hey,
along
man,
the Subi
I
Gang
like this because
air freshener.
I'm a big Japanese buff.
So
type
now
guy.
Dylan's gonna take the reins, and he's gonna show you what he bought new for his car.
Oh,
And you
shit.
gotta hurry up because we're running out of time.
Oh damn! You know what? I came home the other day and I got a box and I went from ear to ear with my smile because I already knew what it was. Something to make my car louder. So you know what? I went out and get me a nice resonator.
We're gonna get rid of that big
Straight
stock
through
one.
with that. You know what that
Yeah,
means?
it's gonna be loud. It's gonna be full.
It's gonna be loud.
It's gonna be like Rice Krispie treats. Snap,
Oh,
crackle,
man.
and pops.
It's gonna be snap, crackle, and pop all over the town. You
Pop
know,
it up.
people are gonna hate us. They hate us already, but
Yeah.
whatever.
Well, they have good reason to. Like,
know.
oh, why don't you tell them what happened to us today?
Oh,
Right up the road here.
oh.
I was a bad boy and I got pulled over
Yeah, we got pulled over.
with the Camaro.
You know, it happens.
It's been,
You know,
yeah.
we knew it was coming because he hit the brake lights, so we pulled right
I
over
just,
and waited for
yeah.
him.
I knew he was coming back. I looked down at the speedometer. I was like, I'm boned. So I just pulled over, threw on the 4-way flashers. He
Yeah.
came up. Cop was super cool. I admitted I was wrong. He ran my stuff, made sure the car was legal, told me slow it down, have a good day, and that was that. But yeah, so that's Dylan's new resonator. The factory one on his Subaru. We've already straight piped it from the axle back, and we left the factory resonator in the center. The Subaru ones are huge, like they're
Yeah.
monstrous. So we're gonna
They're
cut
big.
that out, weld that in, and it's gonna change the tone of the car completely. It's gonna
Oh,
sound,
man.
it's gonna sound awesome.
I can't
I'm gonna do a spoiler alert. Dylan already ordered his unequal length header. That's gonna be here, probably either this week or next.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, man.
And then we're gonna put those on too. So
Oh man,
it's
crazy.
gonna progressively get louder and it's gonna be obnoxious, but it's gonna be pretty cool. Thank you for watching, guys. This is just a short video, another unboxing. I don't really have anything like cool going on right now. Life's been a little crazy, one thing after another, it seems like. So I haven't really been able to do anything cool in my own garage or whatever. So right now we're doing tuner crate unboxings, I guess. This is what we're reduced to. But
Well, we'll catch you later, guys.
yeah, catch you on the flip
Stay
side.
soon.
See ya. Have a happy Halloween if
Yeah,
I don't
man.
upload between now and then.
We should, but you know,
We're gonna go Netflix, chill.
you know.
We're partying hard tonight. We got the Pepsi.
See y'all later, man.
Deuces.